Look at you. Wow.
You are so cute.
So they'll teach you to like sit, stay.
Basically, well-behaved dogs. That's our thing. We don't want people to give away the dogs.
Look at you. You're so cute. You want to go home? You want to join the squad?
Water?
Okay, throw it. This is so cute.
Never throw that far, but
Hold
I
up.
mean...
Come here. Don't eat my shoes again.
Oh no, not the easy.
No, not the
Easy, no. Don't eat the easy.
Here, you want this?
No,
Not the glasses.
Not the glasses.
Here, just put it on the ground.
Oh, she's chilling. She's chilling.
There you go. Take a bun.
There you go.
Look at her. Here, go down a little bit so you can see her little puppy eyes. No, like go down like, yeah, like that. Oh. You want to go home? You want to join the squad? Look at you. You are so cute. It's official. Look at her.
Look how cute she is. Oh.
Aw, it's so cute. Hey, it's lit.
No, lift her up.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah, hold her like that. There you go.
Okay, do not yell me, please. Without the jacket.
You can't put the jacket yet peeing on the ground?
Listen, she's my baby. I gotta take care of her. Come on.
Come on, Ariel. Get the pee pad out, Ariel. Come on.
We tried our best to make it
Knew this was
better.
gonna happen.
Get on all fours now.
You go. Okay.
Yo. What?
Hey, well, come on. Get on all fours. There you go. There you go. Just sit there. There you go.
This is not gonna work.
That's a pee pad.
It's not
That's a
gonna
pee
work.
pad. Not the skateboard. The skateboard's expensive too.